starting to set in around here, but that does not mean that we're done mowing. In fact, we've had an abnormally high amount of moisture and rain around here, which has caused the grass to continue to grow. So we are back out mowing lots with our John Deere Z540R, which does a wonderful job for our clients. This particular day, it was misting just slightly, and since it had rained the day before and was forecasted to rain the next day, we thought it was the best to seize the break in weather and get as much done as we could. Thankfully, this mower does a good job even if it is slightly damp, and is light enough to still get the job done without matting down the grass too much. After completing the job, we used the power of the mowing deck as a blower to remove miscellaneous debris from the driveway and parking areas. Of course, there are a number of different ways to accomplish this task, and you have to be mindful of the debris that you are trying to remove. For us, it is usually just grass clippings and leaves. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our John Deere Z540R. Thanks for watching.